This morning, we're bringing you an update on a story we've been reporting on, the new COVID-19 vaccines for the fall.
That's right. The FDA has issued a new recommendation on the formula as we wait for the CDC to tell us this week who should get the booster in the fall. ABC Action News reporter Larissa Scott joins us live in the studio to explain. Good morning, Larissa.
Hey, good morning, Jazz and Heather. The country's top vaccine regulators have said getting this formula right for the fall will be crucial in limiting spread and keeping severe COVID-19 cases low this respiratory season.
Coverage in the fall is going to be interesting because we don't know what will happen in the fall, right?
That's why vaccine advisors are tasked with making the best decision based on which COVID-19 strains are circulating.
These two strains, the KP2 and KP3, are now accounting for more than half of all of cases in the U.S.
They're part of the flirt variants, which in total make up for more than 60% of new COVID-19 cases in the United States right now, something the FDA has been closely monitoring.
What's likely going to happen is that these two strains are going to continue to take off. They'll probably cover most of the percentage of all the strains that we see in the U.S.
A few days ago, the FDA told drug makers to update the fall COVID-19 vaccine formula to target the KP.2 strain and create a more effective vaccine for the fall. This change in recommendation comes just after the group voted earlier this month for the fall boosters to target the JN.1 variant.
They changed their recommendation to say, okay, let's actually put these KP guys in the vaccine.
After further monitoring of the circulating strains, the FDA made the change since spread of the JN.1 mutation has drastically declined in recent weeks. However, not all drug manufacturers can pivot that quickly since production of the new shots is already underway.
And so your two mRNAs can. Pfizer and Moderna can change really fast. Novavax cannot. Because of the way that that vaccine is actually made, it's harder to change it. So it probably won't. In fact, the company's already said we're not going to change it. We've already started production for fall shots.
The FDA did not make a recommendation on who should get the new booster in the fall. That will be left up to the CDC, and that advisory meeting is scheduled for later this week.